Skydiving. Once I dropped my very first video, this one right here, I got so many questions about skydiving. I'm just gonna jump right into it. Their camera guy, the angle.
What are you doing here?
I'm jumping from 14,000 feet in the air.
I didn't like the angles. I really did.
Why on earth are you doing that?
Cause I'm crazy.
That's right.
I had a hat on right before this. See the picture? Real cute with the hat, right? She was fly.
You guys are double crazy because you've done this before. Woo! Free falling 120 miles an hour towards the earth. You ready to do it again?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
It's safe to say no superhero cape. I still say the day they end the way. I don't negotiate, I just obliterate you. Flavor slave, I push.
Ladies, if your man doesn't jump 14,000 feet out the air for you, baby, you might want to take him back. I knew he was the one.
I'm so used to it. At this point, the only way to prove it is get stupid rich. I'm
He's so fine.
low. I got so much soul, that shit made her go. I played the role. They won't play your songs till they think you wrong. A house is not a.
So when you're on the airplane, you actually have to sit with your partner in between their legs. So yeah, y'all get real acquainted. Praise the Lord, he brushed his teeth that morning.
What are you going to do with free fall at 6,000 feet?
What am I gonna do?
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, whoa!
Pull the ripcord. Pull the ripcord.
I was excited. I thought it was a trick question. Yes, that's the answer. You pull your parachute string. So the guy that you see next to me with the glasses, that was my new best friend. My life was literally in his hands. Literally.
If I don't, he will.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
We did what's called a tandem jump. Tandem jump, well, you guys can read. But that is the best part about having a tandem jump, is that when you forget, if you forget, heaven forbid you forget, there is a trained professional on your back to pull the cord for you. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, we going.
Y'all, they was crawling out them little doors like spider monkeys, just. That's how they was doing it. All outside. I bet their insurance is like impeccable. I would love to see the benefit package. Think about your life at that moment. When that parachute kick back, just hold your lace fronts, ladies. Hold your lace fronts.
I'm in my zone. Baby, leave me alone. Let me change my clothes. I need self-control. I still do the most. Levitate.
So much fun. It's like a rush, a huge sense of accomplishment. Like you are literally flying. Like I flew. I didn't really fly, but in my mind, I flew. That view was amazing. Like it's crazy to see that the world from that perspective. Like you just seeing all of God's green earth and the things that he's created, and it's a real, I don't know, it's a big moment of reflection. By the way, I want to shout out Skydive Spaceland. You guys, I'm going to put their information right over here as well, and it'll be down below, and I'm going to pin it in the comment. So you guys definitely check Skydive Spaceland out if you're in the DFW area or surrounding locations. Again, you're not going for the cinematic aspect of it. You're going for the adventure. The next time I go skydiving, it has to be like near a beach so I can see the ocean. Oh, that'd be so much fun. Babe, I'm a daredevil. I'm a thrill seeker. Bungee jumping, parasailing, zip lining, roller coasters, water parks, running through the sprinklers, slip and slides. And if it, kind of scares me just a little bit, you know what, let's do it. It's just crazy how far we've come in life that we're able to do things like this. So why would you not want to take advantage? Please comment, share, like, subscribe, rate this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Talk about your skydiving adventure. If you have questions or more questions about skydiving, definitely let me know. I can't tell you anything else other than I did it because I'm crazy. So don't ask me why. I did it. It was exhilarating. Get your life together. Such a rush. I'm hyped thinking about it. You know, I'm gonna go jump out of a plane. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back, y'all. Look for me in the sky.
Yeah.